Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here again, Christy. So guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe right below here. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna be doing a mini vlog about my wig. So this is actually the first time I'm doing a frontal wig installation without glue. So I'm just gonna be needing the help of the little one, Beauty. She's really good in this work before I move over to using eyes on my face. I know a lot of people will be like, why are you using eyes on your face? Is it not harsh? Never harsh. This can actually ease stress and helps with the flow of blood on your face and actually give you glow. It does a lot of things, reduce inflammation. This is me heading to the place already. I know a lot of people will be like, oh girl, babe, why you always mean? I'm not mean. Do you want me to always be laughing? Why? What am I laughing with? Beg. This is me. I'm there already, shortly here, and I'm walking towards the place already. I am a few steps close to the place. I just arrived, and this is my stylist, shortly here. She is actually checking how fitted it is on my hair. So here is the work now. I told my stylist I really need to know how to do this, but she said you need to start by picking pin. Picking, is that how to learn? No. She said okay, you can learn, but don't go and do it yourself. Shortly here is here to help you fix your frontal wig. No need to do it yourself. I said I just want to learn. I don't know how to do it. So is it a bad thing to learn? I just want to be fixing it for myself, even for my friends if they ask for my help. But at the end of the day, she said, okay now, okay, come and join, no problem. So as you can see, she's just picking it one after the other to flatten the frontal and make it look more natural and beautiful. So as she's plucking and plucking, I was now like, is it how I'm going to sit down and be doing this thing? Surely hair will keep eating my money. But wait though, if I keep dashing surely hair this morning, how much will now remain in my pocket? After buying hair, I'll not pay extra money for them to just be picking my what I can do for myself. I say, Christy, Chidiogo, anyone you want to call yourself, just learn, so you can teach others, teach your children, teach anybody, even teach my mother. Okay, now as she move over to the interesting part, this part, I really love this part because this is where the beauty comes out from. The way she just curved the whole things. I swear you guys really need to learn, or anyone, I don't know what to say, you guys really need to see how this woman is doing this thing. She's really good. Maybe in the future something good will happen to me, then I will. I don't know what to say anymore. Let's just be watching. So is it not to watch? After watching, when we get home, we'll practice it. After some time, she began to spray water. I'm telling you, 19% of girls can do this thing. It's only me that is remaining. But today, I must learn. I'm learning work today. Okay. So this is the most important part that I love the most. Don't mind the way my face was looking. I was madly gushing over this hair. Let me tell you something. If you really want to wear your hair for a very long time, just make sure you buy the color that you like. And not just be buying because you have money. Buy the one that you like. Buy the one that will fit your skin. See how... I don't know if you understand. My skin is even popping under this hair. I don't know if it's the hair that is making my skin to shine like this. Anyway. Oh, sorry. Let me remind you, there's no foundation on my skin. No. I don't always use foundation. This is just my skin popping because of my skin care routine. I'm going to share that one later. So this is her cutting off the bad part of it, and this is her styling everything. Did you notice something? That we did not use wig cap? Yes, that's because the wig hair net fits my skin, and that is lovely. I don't have to be stressing myself about using glue because of the wig net not fitting, because of the wig net not fitting my skin. I think this is the best part of the whole thing. I swear, this is it. I'm rocking you to wherever I go. So wherever you see me on this hair, just know that it's not my fault. It's just that the hair is too beautiful. It is too fine. I can't let go. This is just the finished look. So I'm gonna say thank you to Shanley Hair, and thank you to whoever that is watching this video right now. I'm really honored for you to be seeing my video right now. Don't forget to share, like, and comment below here. It's really nice to be seeing all of you under my comments. Thank you guys once again. Bye. Leave me, let me do shakara. I too fine. The hair too fine. Oyoyo. White pawpaw. All right. See you next time. Bye. So much thanks to my stylist who made everything possible for me. She gave me exactly what I asked for. This is not this is what you asked for and this is what you got. No, she gave me everything. Thanks to Shanley Hair. She is lovely and the hair is lovely and I am too lovely. Don't leave me out of this lovely game. Okay? See you next time. Thanks for watching.